What's the meaning of cardinal number? Cardinal number. Cardinal number.
Cardinal number. Cardinal number. A cardinal number is a type of number used to represent the size or quantity of something, such as the number of objects in a set or the position of an element in a sequence. These numbers are typically represented by Arabic numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, etc., and can be used for counting and measuring. They differ from ordinal numbers, which indicate the position of an element in a sequence, such as first, second, third, etc. Overall, cardinal numbers play an important role in mathematics and are commonly used in everyday life for counting and calculating.